Good morning, YouTube. We out here cruising the streets, man. Early morning. Right now it's 6 a.m. Actually 6:05. Going to get coffee. We got buses all out on the road. I'm gonna try to get some nice rolling shots. I mean, I make promises, man. I just do what I can. That's it. Early morning. Sunrise. POV. Laura. Back at it again. Scuba spying. Catching buses out here. There's All American over there with that low roof. First gen Bluebird. There's another one. Scuba spying. Yeah, I called him, he didn't answer. I called him twice. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, okay. Alright, bye-bye. Getting them shots. Alright, let me sit right here and zoom in. Get a safety line of C2. Add the red light. Scuba spying. I'm gonna go get my coffee. Pull the key. Driving 1551 today. Oh, we got some buses coming up. I'll spy on them. Let's look like a creep. Just catch them when they come up. School bus flybys. Let's not look too creepy. Alright, that's enough. Let's go get that coffee. This is my spot over here. I need to buy some stocks with them. See, even the ambulance out here getting coffee. And we're back. I had to catch that one. Got more coming. MT Express bus. We got the cheese buses going up and down the boulevard. Well, it's not even a boulevard, the avenue. And I got my medicine. Whoop, whoop. That's it. Medium, milk, 2 sugars. To go, not to stay. Busy. Got a big group coming down. Not a big group, but a few buses coming. One has the strobes on, the one in the front, the FS65. You got the strobes pumping. School bus convoy. New Dawn. First gen. This coffee's real hot, man. What? Safety liner C2 here. Safety liner C2 back to back. Shout out to Cameron, Mr. Safety liner C2. The one and only. The one and only human safety liner C2. Shout out to my man Cameron. And Cameron, if you didn't know, that's my middle name also, Cameron. Well, yeah, you do know, because you got me on Facebook. This camera's awesome. Just when you zoom in, you gotta hold it real steady. Just gonna get a few spy shots over here. Oh, that's 5338. My bus is 5322. Early morning school bus flybys. big AC unit on top, the condenser on top. On the roof. And I guess that's it. We rolling. We're about to roll up by Consolidated's yard. Woo. The streets, man. You guys can see them potholes. $1 Million Productions out here. We bringing you the yellow school buses. New York safe ride over here. Oh. I got this Avalon, gonna make the left in front of me, but it's for a good cause. Oh, there we go. You gotta go to work. Sneak shot. It's Consolidated in there. Oh, yellow light. See, I didn't run it.